What's the meaning of concoct? Concoct. Concoct.
Concoct. Concoct. The verb concoct means to create something, often by combining different ingredients or elements. The result of concocting can vary widely, depending on the context in which it is used. In the culinary arts, for example, someone might concoct a new recipe by combining various spices, herbs, and other ingredients in creative ways. In other fields, such as writing or marketing, a person might concoct a story or idea by blending different concepts or perspectives together. Ultimately, the goal of concocting is to produce something new and original by bringing different elements together in fresh and interesting ways.